Hey everyone and welcome back to CryptoScores. Today we are looking at two indicators from the opportunity category that track something most people overlook, the Coingecko bookmarks change over 7 days and 30 days. This measures how many people are adding or removing a cryptocurrency from their portfolio watching list on Coingecko, and it's a surprisingly powerful signal. So what are Coingecko bookmarks? Well, when someone adds a cryptocurrency to their portfolio section on Coingecko, it gets bookmarked. These two metrics track how that number is changing over the last 7 days for short-term interest and over 30 days for a more lasting trend. And why does this matter? Because bookmarking is what people do before they buy. They are researching, comparing projects, building a watch list. So when bookmarks are rising, it means retail investors are paying attention, they are getting ready to make a move. It's one of the earliest signals of incoming demand that we could have. So let's take a look at CFG with a perfect opportunity score. When we scroll down, we can see that the bookmarks on Coingecko are green for both. This is a strong signal, not only people adding Centrifuge to their watch list this week, but the 30-day trend shows that this has been building for a full month, plus 16% over 30 days. That's not a one-day spike from a random headline, that's a sustained growing wave of retail interest. More and more people are watching this project, and that often precedes price action. Now let's take a look at TRWA with an opportunity score of 23 over 100, and the bookmarks are both in red. People are removing this project from their watch list. The interest is fading slowly but consistently. On both time frames, the trend is negative. Investors are turning their attention elsewhere. It's not a dramatic exodus, but when people stop watching a project, the chance of new buying pressure drops with it. Now here's where it gets really interesting. And these are tips worth remembering. If bookmarks are rising but the price hasn't moved yet, that can be an early momentum signal. Investors are doing their research, comparing projects, getting ready to buy. The demand is building before it shows up in the price. If bookmarks, at the contrary, are declining while the price is going up, be careful. It can signal a fragile speculative trend. Short-term traders are pushing the price, but retail interest is actually fading. That kind of rally often doesn't last. And if bookmarks are rising while the price is failing, that's a very interesting setup, because it could mean investors are watching the dip, waiting for the price to bottom out before buying, especially if combined with vesting distribution creating temporary selling pressure, which we will cover in the tokenomics section. As always with CryptoScores, you can click in the number and you will go through the Coingecko page directly to see the full picture. Price, volume, community data and more. The bookmark data itself is calculated by CryptoScores based on Coingecko's figures, so you are getting a processed, ready-to-use signal right on the platform. So use bookmarks as your retail sentiment radar. Rising on both time frames, attention is building, potential demand ahead, declining on both, interest in fading, and always cross-reference with price movement. When bookmarks and price diverge, that's where the real insights are hiding. As always, you are the analyst. CryptoScores gives you the signal, you do the thinking. Coingecko bookmarks, what investors are watching before they buy. Check it on cryptoscores.com and we will see you there in the next one.